How to log in or sign up to Qatar Airways account. So let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser, then in search address bar type down the Qatar Airways and search for it. Then navigate to its official website Qatar Airways. Then you will get to see login or sign up option available at the top right corner of your screen. So if you want to log in, if you already have an Qatar Airways account, then simply tap on the login, then you'll be navigated to the login page. Here all you have to do is enter your email address or membership number, then input your password, then click on login to access your account. But if you do not have any account, then all you have to do is go back to the Qatar Airways website, and there you can see sign up option available, and all you have to do is tap on the sign up. Now while signing up, choose the privileged club account, either student account or privileged club. So let's simply tap on the student and tap on the join now option available there. Now scroll down and fill in the required personal details, including your name, date of birth, contact information, your college ID, your college information. And all you have to do is agree to terms and conditions to create an account. So here, as you can see, I have filled out my informations. You need to do same as well. Then you'll have to enter your coupon code option available at the bottom. Then once you tap on the join now option available after checking on all the boxes and filling out the captcha, then you'll be logged into your student account. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.